I thought I was gonna come in here and only do my triceps and chest and maybe back, but every time I come in the gym, I always find it really hard not to do biceps. Basically, come in here and do upper body one day and then legs the next day. That's basically how I operate now. Let's get it. I never really do this, but I probably should start doing it more often. It seemed a lot more challenging than standing up and pumping them out really fast. I'll get going a little closer and do the same thing. And this kind of feels like where we're supposed to be at regardless. Like I said, I'm still learning just with you guys. I'm not no professional. One more. That's nice. That's nice. Cannonball, baby.